see us now?
Hi, I can't see you. Yeah, now I can see you.
Ah, yes.
Is it okay now?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. Good for us.
Yeah, good for it's okay for you there.
Yeah.
Audio, video,
Yeah, yeah,
everything.
yeah. Everything is fine.
Yeah, it's
So yeah, I was talking about how are you guys feeling पाकिस्तान से connect करके.
पाकिस्तान से कनेक्ट करके
अच्छा.
Yeah.
ऑनेस्टली यहाँ पे हम लोग कोल्हापुर में इतने आइसोलेटेड हैं वी आर शूटिंग लाइक इन द कोविड टाइम एंड वी हैव नॉट रियली स्पोकन टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल इट फील्स ग्रेट दैट पीपल इन पाकिस्तान आर वाचिंग एंड लविंग द शो
It's a good thing. Like the audience is expanding, not only in India, like to other countries, Pakistan, Bangladesh, all the neighboring countries. It's a good exposure, what I can say.
तो कैसा लगता है लाइक शो को अभी सब 6 महीने हुए हैं और इतनी ज्यादा पॉपुलैरिटी इवन कि मैंने जब आप लोगों का अनाउंस किया दैट आई एम गोइंग लाइव विद यू गाइस माय डीएम वाज फ्लडेड विद मैसेजेस लाइक सो मेनी मैसेजेस तो कैसा लगता है कैसा लग रहा है लाइक 6 महीने में पहला शो
Things
इंडियन
have changed a lot. Things have changed a lot, and it's a drastic change starting from the first 1 month only. और बहुत अच्छे like we are getting good news and all the feedbacks, all the critic news also from each and from all the different parts of the world. I can say so many messages. You are anything?
It's just 6 months and we are still trying to, कि हाँ है, people are watching the show, loving the show and we really have people who look up to the show. कल क्या आएगा, परसों क्या आएगा, it's just overwhelming.
Oh, so
या एग्जैक्टली तो ये अ, ये क्या नाम तस्बू वाली क्या स्टोरी है कभी सोचा था कि ये एक डायलॉग इतना फेमस हो जाएगा
watermelon is known as tarboos in Hindi, and Raghav doesn't know proper Hindi. So Pallavi tells that you have to give tarboos to her mom.
It's
And
a prank.
It's a prank.
I play on him saying that go give a tarboos to my mom. She'll understand कि मैं तुम sorry हो. And he's like अच्छा तस्बू. And I'm
Tasboo.
like,
And she does again tarboos. I didn't know it's tasboo. And that's how it went on. It's tasboo now.
yeah, I just
तो वाज इट स्क्रिप्टेड या वैसे यू जस्ट फंबल्ड
No, it was not fumbled, but
it was written.
modified.
It was written in the script. But yeah, when when you're doing the scenes, you try to make it funny and you try to
स्क्रिप्ट
put
में
your
लिखा था
humor.
तबरूज लिखा
नहीं, तस्बू नहीं था.
नहीं, तबरूज था मैंने चेंज किया आई चेंज इट टू तस्बू तबरूज लिखा था तबरूज या तबरूज
तो ये सोचा था जब चेंज करे थे सोचा था कि इतना बड़ा ये आइकॉनिक बन जाएगा लोग फैन पेजेस बना देंगे दे स्टार्ट कॉलिंग यू गाइस तस्बू क्यूटीज हां
नहीं कुछ ऐसा एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था बस ऑन द फ्लो डाल दिया था बस दैट्स इट एंड दैट्स हाउ इट केम आउट
तो ये मतलब कि जब आपकी कास्टिंग हुई थी कैसे कास्टिंग हुई कैसे पता लाइक ऑडिशन कैसे दिया कैसे पता चला कि ओके जा कास्टिंग या दे अप्रोच यू गाइस और यू came and give the audition what happened
your studio
My thing was I got a call from our casting director Nazia Kamal saying that listen, there's this show of Star Plus. Will you be interested in doing a serial? I said yeah, why not? Any day Star Plus, so any day yes. And she's like okay, then just drop in your audition tape because these days it's COVID time, so you have to send your auditions. You have to take it at home and send it. So I just randomly made it and I was like, okay, let's send it. I don't know what's going to happen. I never thought that he will like it so much. Sandeep sir will like it so much. So then I get a call saying that listen, now come for the mock shoot directly. And I was like, maybe mock shoots are supposed to be कि जाओ एक wall होगा उसके सामने आप किसी के साथ add करो. But it was like a proper shoot where you have like the whole team, camera setup, the director, the DOPs. And I was shocked and I was so nervous.
it
Like,
was a big setup
yeah, it was a very big,
Very big
setup. And there were like
Film
6
setup.
couples. He
Seven.
was no, six,
Yes, seven
6, 7.
seven yeah
so you were auditioning in couples
What happened is because of COVID, they had to shoot everybody's part like एक साथ. But otherwise, it's shot separately at separate places or what I don't know. So all the 6 couples came in together. We saw each other. We all were nervous. We all saw our director Hemant Prabhu. We all saw Sandeep sir, and I was like super nervous. I was like, 6 लोगों में तो let's just give my 100%. देखेंगे क्या होता है.
But on the demo shoot day, we didn't meet each other.
Yeah,
so she
yeah.
had some other partner, I had some other partner,
Yeah,
and
we
I
like
didn't
paired
even
with
know.
different people.
तो वैसा हो गया.
So when did you first met?
We met on the meeting, on the
The
script meeting day. in
look
Bombay.
test.
Yeah, the look test.
The look test was the first time. I was like, oh, it's him.
It's him.
So
Oh, it's
So we did meet even on the demo day.
तो कैसा लगा मतलब कि जैसा एक्सपेक्ट किया था वैसा ही बॉन्ड बना या यू नो यू गाइस फाइट एज वेल और समथिंग लाइक दैट
in the show, you're saying.
नो नो इन द रियलिटी जब मिले पहली बार
Yeah, we fight a lot. मतलब initial days, so we couldn't, stand each other. We were like, I don't want to look at this guy. I don't. This guy doesn't talk. First day when we met at the look test, I was like, hey, hi, and he's like,
Okay.
hi.
Hi.
I was like, but you're working like 12 hours, so you do get angry, you do get upset.
It happens, and that's how we
you
gelled up.
Have,
Slowly.
yeah, and when you're doing some scene, there's a particular way of him doing it and me doing it. So sometimes that will clash, but in the end, we come to the same point and
We had some like बीच में कभी some creative differences तू ऐसे कर मैं ऐसे कर
But that's totally healthy. When you come
अच्छा, एक बहुत कॉमन क्वेश्चन है सब फैंस का कि क्या शिवांगी रियल के इनका रियल नेम में भी राव आता है तो क्या शिवांगी को रियल में भी घमंडी राव बुलाती हैं
काफी बार बुलाया है.
the घमंडी राव में बुलाती हूँ, but he is Raghav in real. So
अच्छा जी
हाँ.
I
Like
can't.
out of 10, 9 qualities are like Raghav.
I we can tell 8, not 9. Yeah, 8. ठीक है.
so what about you Saeed?
As Pallavi, yeah, okay. I
Say
can.
Yeah.
good things.
First impression हाँ
Out of 10, she's 7 as Pallavi, and 3 as.
Okay.
And the first day
out
we
of
met.
seven is Pallavi
Out of 10, she's 7.
Similarities.
The
he's talking
similarities.
okay
The similarities, and we met on the.
अच्छा तो
script.
आप
Yeah, tell me.
या तो आप तेलुगु हो ये मराठी है आप हिंदी शो कर रहे हो तो ये एंड में जब शो खत्म होने के एंड तक किसको पूरी हिंदी आ जाने वाली है कौन पूरा तेलुगु या पूरा मराठी हो जाने वाला है क्योंकि यू स्पेंड सो मच टाइम टुगेदर व्हाइल शूटिंग
So yeah, but I can speak in Marathi and Hindi and Telugu also, but she doesn't know Telugu.
So I might learn Telugu.
हाँ
But इसलिए-
ये खत्म होता है तेलुगु आ जाना चाहिए
हाँ. Koncham.
Oh my goodness, no,
Koncham.
Koncham, that's little.
नहीं मुझे उनके ना हाथ के एक्शन से पता चला व्हाट इज कुंचुम आई वाज जस्ट गेसिंग इट
थोड़ा सीख जाऊंगी.
थोड़ा हाँ अच्छा तो आप दोनों ही लाइक मतलब इधर मुंबई में नहीं रहते थे एज फार एज आई नो तो कैसे मतलब ऑब्वियसली व्हेन यू केम हियर फॉर लाइक एक्टिंग करियर एंड एवरीथिंग क्या डिफिकल्टीज या क्या स्ट्रगल फेस किया जब आप लाइक ड्यूरिंग द एडजस्टमेंट लाइक जब आप एडजस्ट कर रहे थे यहाँ पे हाउ डिफिकल्ट वाज इट
The adjustment regarding the location or.
Our location.
regarding the location because you changed the location right
Yeah, it's a different location. It's not Bombay or Hyderabad. It's Kolhapur and it's a small town. But yeah, we made all the proper arrangements. All the sets are made properly as per the standards, and of course we are going with the COVID guidelines also. Everything is there, neat and clean, healthy, good.
For me, it was tough.
अच्छा
Because I was like I'm somebody who doesn't, not a person who can accept change that quick. And we didn't get time to, accept the fact that I'm finally in Kolhapur. I didn't even settle down and they were like, let's go, we have a shoot today, we have a 12-hour shift, come, let's do
And
it.
that day, the first day, I think we
Night
shot
shift.
night shift. Yeah, we shot the night shift.
So serials में यही होता है. You don't get time to think. You don't get time to get nervous. You don't get time for anything. You're just working.
अच्छा,
That's
आप
how
लोगों का शो कोविड टाइम पे स्टार्ट हुआ, like it was in middle of COVID times, right? So how did you, मतलब were you guys stressed about it कि यार कैसा चलेगा, किसी भी टाइम लॉकडाउन हो सकते हैं, कुछ भी हो सकता है?
Yeah, मतलब लॉकडाउन ऑफ कोर्स हुआ था हैदराबाद से महाराष्ट्र में
अभी
हुआ
हाँ.
था, but during the lockdown we shifted to another location and we shot there, and that's what it's going well even during the lockdown times and even in the COVID times, and we're maintaining all the strict protocols on the set, the masks, the sanitizations, vaccinations, everything we are there.
It's like the show must go on. No matter what happens, you have to like एक छोटे से कमरे में शूट
अच्छा.
करेंगे पर
वो है. So we
अच्छा,
was
पर आप लोगों का रोमांटिक पीरियड है, तो बहुत सारे रोमांटिक सीन्स भी आप लोग शूट करते हो, तो ऐसा आप दोनों में से ऐसा कौन है जो अपनी हंसी नहीं कंट्रोल कर सकता?
दोनों आज भी हमने एक सीन
दोनों.
किया था and we were like just smiling or just laughing there.
Can you
There
just
are
tell me something of that scene?
scenes and you're just looking at each other and I don't know why we laugh, but sometimes it's just like you can't stop. You can't stop. Then we have to tell each other, you will not smile, you will not laugh.
And there is a scene like we have to stare each other for couple of minutes and कभी-कभी डायरेक्ट कट बोलते नहीं और हम लोग ऐसे देखते रहे सडनली हंसी निकल जाती है.
तो अभी तक सबसे ज्यादा कितने टेक्स हो चुके हैं कौन से सीन के लिए?
कौन से सीन के लिए सबसे ज्यादा टेक्स?
हाँ,
बहुत सारे सीन शायद.
ऐसे बहुत scenes हैं. I think mostly romantic scenes are something that is very difficult to choreograph because it has to look comfortable and it has to look beautiful. So those are the scenes which take a lot of time.
It should look like good aesthetic should come
Yeah,
out.
yeah.
And yeah, हम लोग रिहर्सल वगैरह करते हैं उसके पहले और कभी-कभी मॉडिफिकेशन करते हैं अगर ऐसा करेंगे तो
So
अच्छा
when you're doing the scene, you realize that I can do this also, and then we'll talk about it. We'll do this, we'll do that. So that takes a lot of time.
अच्छा, आप लोगों की केमिस्ट्री देखिए ये लगता नहीं है कि आप लोग पहली बार सेट पे मिले हो, एनी सीक्रेट बिहाइंड इट या ऑफ टीम का सब बॉन्ड है बन चुका है?
just like good co-actors, friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are going with the flow. Raghav Pallavi.
I think it's important to be good friends. That's how things become easy on the set. You can perform well with each other because we are good friends.
क्योंकि राघव पूरे सारा दिन हम बोलते रहते हो साड़ी की दुकान, कभी ऐसा भी हो कि ऑफ साइड भी मुंह से निकल जाता है साड़ी की दुकान?
काफी बार मैंने बुलाया इसको सारी का.
ये मुझे बहुत नामों से बुलाता है. He calls me by so many names and he doesn't tell. That I get to know from other co-stars that he called you Chipkali, he called you something. So
Yeah. ऐसे ही just.
How cute.
I call her Tasbu also sometimes.
शिवांगी, why don't you just give him सारे names वापस? इससे भी बुरे नेम्स दे दो इनको.
मैं ना
How about that?
I'm being too nice ना. Now I will not be.
आज से प्लानिंग हो रही है शायद.
आज से मैंने सोच लिया है. मैं कल से इसको बहुत अलग नाम से जिस पे सबसे ज्यादा रिलेटेड होगा मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे इसको फेमस कर दूंगा.
शायद घमंडी राय होगा.
We'll see.
You see, okay? Don't underestimate her. Okay, so let's go towards our first fun segment, which is it's a rapid fire, but we can make it less rapid and you can
This is fun
rapid fire as
segment.
you want.
The rapid fire.
It's like a HR question to me.
I feel like
अच्छा, कुछ questions, अच्छा, you have to be attentive, all right? Some questions will be for only one person, some questions can be for both of you guys, okay?
Okay.
So are you ready? The first question is for Sai. You want your real life partner to be more like Pallavi or Shivangi?
I didn't get you.
You want your real life partner to be more like Pallavi or Shivangi? Shivangi.
I never decided like that. Don't keep me in a hypothetical situation. Don't keep me in a hypothetical situation where Pallavi has
Just imagine.
अरे randomly मैं कहाँ से
I
आ
wanted to be
गया?
like Priyanka Chopra, Deepika. So many
Like
choices.
more like Shivangi or Pallavi.
I don't know.
Yeah, actually, honestly, like
I'll-
two qualities she's not, and I should not.
एक काम करते हैं. I'll do Shivpal. Shivpal like Shiv, like Shivangi का half, Pallavi का half. And it's good one, yeah. That's a good one.
What about you, Shivangi? You
Yes.
you realize Papa to be more like Raghav or Sai?
See, Raghav and Sai both are the same. So it's tough.
शिवांगी ने तो डिसाइड कर लिया है.
Okay,
It's tough.
go choose someone. Like, don't copy my answer now.
Yes, you shouldn't copy it, okay?
I might not say that Adha Raghav, Adha Sai.
बोल दे Rao.
Yeah, that's
Rao.
true.
Rao.
No, I think
Oh,
like Raghav. Raghav.
right, Raghav. Oh. The next one. What's the easiest way to irritate Sai? Shivangi.
Easiest way.
Yeah, to irritate him.
Irritate him.
You might be knowing that.
No, honestly, no. I didn't irritate you.
I you didn't irritate me, I know.
Just no. See. I'm a very good person. I don't irritate people.
Sai, do you know कि कौन सी आदत आपकी कौन सी शिवांगी की आदत से आप इरिटेट हो जाते हो?
क्या?
मेरी आदत से.
नहीं, ऐसे कुछ आदत नहीं है.
See, I'm telling you, I'm a very nice girl.
ऐसे कुछ आदत नहीं है.
Oh, that's very sweet.
But I get
Okay.
irritated with sound, too much of commotion or too much of sound. बहुत चक चक होता है सेट पे तो I just go and sit beside. कहाँ तो दूर जाके बैठ जाता हूँ मैं. बहुत सारे लोग हैं सेट पे तो बाजू में चले जाता हूँ उसके. In some corner I go. वो है.
Okay, the next one. If you guys could exchange one thing from each other, what would it be?
Would change.
Exchange.
Exchange.
Exchange from one another.
I think the height.
Nice.
Okay.
Right?
And what about you, Sai?
She kept me in a